Okay, that's the balot right there, and that's Greg, and he will try to eat the balot. Filipino food, exotic food. Okay.
I'm gonna wait for Benji.
Okay, Benji, you both of you will eat at the same time. That's Benji there, who doesn't like balot also.
This one's looking nice and big.
Okay. You have to open the correct end. Which one? It's maybe on top. To lima kundi which way? I think it's on top or
Yeah, on top.
because there's a. You have to drink the juice exactly. Yeah. Okay, there you go. It's Greg eating balot, exotic food from the Philippines. Remember, Greg, this will be posted on YouTube and Facebook.
Yeah, drink the juice.
Yeah, drink the juice.
Hey, Benji.
Benji! You like, oh. You know what, Greg? It makes you strong, you know,
Really?
and gives you a further shock. Yeah.
He's eating the shell.
Tastes good, huh?
Not the shell.
Not the shell exactly, yeah.
Lim, may paper towel.
That's Lola Toto there. And Diane. I want Diane to eat balot also. No way. He said no way. Whoa, how old is that? Let me see, let me see.
Big one.
That's the chick there inside
Yeah, that's
with the
that's some
feathers.
Yeah.
Tomorrow,
Okay.
we'll bring him to the cockfight.
Yeah.
You wanna watch cockfight?
Cockfight.
Bulang? Okay, we'll see.
I'll check kung may bulang tomorrow.
Shell.
Come on, dear. So there's it.
Maybe that's 14 days.
Ah, hindi. 17 na lang kung 18. Big chick.
Wow, put so see Dustin. Oh, oh, I like it. Diane is watching Greg eating balot, huh?
Nakain na ka na dahil.
Dustin. O yun, Dustin. Oh.
Ikaw ba, alis ka man ka na ka? Hindi.
Timot wow.
Wow, there you go.
Show.
Put some salt.
Trying to find its head.
Try to find the head.
Where?
They're looking for the head.
Ah, yeah.
Yeah, there you go.
The egg, that.
That's Greg. That's rich in protein. You know.
Yeah?
Yeah, exactly.
Is it dip?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Deep.
Careful, there's a heartbeat, remember? Heartbeat.
Okay.
The heartbeat though.
Nice. You do.
Nice one, Greg. Go, Greg. Yeah. Tastes good, huh? Yeah. Oh.
Yeah. You challenge your cooking.
Hindi ka rin kumakain ito? Ah.
Does it taste different from the other one? No, it's not. Yeah.
Sige na, try mo. Si CJ magna-try daw.
So yun na, Dustin ka. He doesn't like it this
Don't eat the hard one.
No?
Yeah, the white one, this not that one you just throw it away. It's so hard. It's hard to digest that one, so you don't have to eat that one.
Don't eat it.
I ate the hard one the other night.
Oh, it's okay though.
But it's hard
Okay, yeah.
Good for you.
Yeah,
Me?
challenge.
I